Hello students, in this video I am taking some questions based on symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix are the part of transpose of a matrix. So we are taking some questions based on symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. The question is here. Prove that for any square matrix, A plus A dash is symmetric matrix, A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. The first part is here. Since A is a square matrix, this is given here. Now we want to prove that A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. We know that well. A matrix, a square matrix A is said to be symmetric if A transpose equal to A. So that if we want to show that any given matrix is symmetric matrix, we find the transpose of that particular matrix and show that this transpose of this matrix is again the given matrix. So here we start with A plus A transpose whole transpose. This can be written as A transpose plus A transpose, because A plus B whole transpose equal to A transpose plus B transpose. This is the property of transpose of matrix. So A plus B whole dash equal to A dash plus B dash. This can be written as A dash plus A, again A transpose equal to A. Now this can be written as A plus A dash, because A plus B can be written as B plus A. These three steps follows by these three properties of the transpose of matrix, and this is the commutative property of addition of a matrix. So here A plus A dash transpose equal to A plus A dash. So this implies that A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. The second part now. Now we take A minus A dash. So we start with A minus A dash whole transpose. This can be written as A dash minus A dash dash. This equal to A dash minus A. Again A minus A dash whole dash can be opened by this A dash plus B dash. This can be written as A, because A dash dash equal to A. This step we take minus common, so we can write it A minus A dash. So the transpose of A minus A dash is equal to minus A minus A dash. This implies that A minus A dash is skew symmetric matrix. Now I am taking one more problem. Prove that any square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. So we start. Let A be a square matrix. A be a square matrix. Then A can be written as 1 upon 2 A plus A dash plus 1 upon 2 A minus A dash. If we take 1 upon 2 common here, so A plus A dash, A minus A dash cancel out, so we have again A. So let if A be a square matrix, then we can write easily A equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash plus 1 upon 2 A minus A dash. This implies that A equal to P plus Q. Equation first. Here P equal to, here P equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash, Q equal to 1 upon 2 A minus A dash. First, here we can write A equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash plus 1 upon 2 A minus A dash. Next step, A equal to P plus Q. We assume here P as 1 upon 2 A plus A dash and Q as 1 upon 2 A minus A dash. So now our question is that prove that any square matrix can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So now we check that in which one matrix is symmetric and one matrix is skew symmetric. So that now P dash. First we find what is the transpose of P. So P dash equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash whole transpose. That means 1 upon 2 A plus A dash whole transpose, because Ka transpose equal to Ka dash equal to 1 upon 2. Now this can be open, A dash plus A dash dash open. Finally we have 1 upon 2 A dash plus A, because A dash dash equal to A equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash. This again is equal to P. So P equal to P dash equal to P shows that P equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash is symmetric. In this question, first we reduce A in two parts, and we shown here the one part of this one part of these two matrices is symmetric. Now we check about the second matrix. Second matrix is Q. So we start with Q dash. Q dash means 1 upon 2 A minus A dash whole dash. This equal to 1 upon 2 A minus A dash whole dash, because Ka whole dash equal to Ka dash. Next step become 1 upon 2 A dash minus A dash dash. A minus B whole dash equal to A dash minus B dash. This again can be written as A dash minus A. Minus is common here, 1 upon 2 A minus A dash. This again minus Q, because the value of Q is 1 upon 2 A minus A dash. So Q dash equal to, so Q shows that Q is skew. So here first we reduce square matrix A in two parts, P and Q, and we easily show here P is the symmetric matrix and Q is the skew symmetric matrix. So every square matrix can be reduced in two parts, in which one is symmetric and other is skew symmetric. Now this is another question based on the property that each square matrix can be expressed as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Each square matrix. So here given a square matrix A, and we want to split this matrix in two parts, in which one is symmetric and other is skew symmetric matrix. So now let A equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash plus 1 upon 2 A minus A dash equal to P plus Q. Here P equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash and Q equal to 1 upon 2 A minus A dash. So here we assume A equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash, 1 upon 2 A minus A dash. If we take 1 upon 2 common, after adding this we get only A. Assume this matrix as P and this matrix as Q here. Now, matrix A is given here 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 3 1 minus 2 minus 3. Then A transpose equal to, interchange the row and columns, 2 minus 2 minus 4 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 minus 2 minus 3. This is A dash. Now we find 1 upon 2 A plus A dash. So P equal to 1 upon 2 A plus A dash. That means 1 upon 2, the first matrix A is given here 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 1 3 4 1 minus 2 minus 3 plus another matrix A dash 2 minus 1 1 minus 2 3 minus 2 minus 4 4 minus 3. So now P equal to 1 upon 2 2 to 4 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 3 3 6 4 2 2 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 4 2 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. This also divided by 2 again, so we have only 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Second row become minus 3 by 2 3 1 and here minus 3 by 2 1 minus 3. If we check by properties of symmetric matrix, so here clearly principal diagonal maybe have any elements. This is A12 replaced by A21, A13 replaced by A31, A23 replaced by A32. So this is a matrix. We clearly by property this is a symmetric matrix, but we check according to process P transpose equal to change row and column 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 3 1 minus 3 by 2 1 minus 3. This is again P. This is matrix P obtained by adding A plus transpose A and divided by 2. So now we have this matrix and now we find transpose of P. This is again P. So P is, this implies that P is symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Now Q equal to 1 upon 2 A minus A dash. So here Q equal to 1 upon 2. The matrix A is there. Matrix A is there 2 minus 2 minus 4. 2 minus 2 minus 4. -1 3 4, -1 3 4, 1 -2 -3, 1 -2 -3, minus the second matrix is there, 2 -1 1, -2 3, -2 3, -2, -4 4, -4 4, -3. So we have q equal to 1/2. Now we have 2 minus 2 become 0, -2 plus 1, this become -1, -4 -1, -5, -1 plus 2, this become 1, 3 minus 3 0, 4 plus 2 6, 1 plus 4 5, -2 -4 -6, -3 plus 3 is again 0. Q equal to divide by 2 again, so 0, -half, -5 by 2. Next step, 1 by 2, 0, 3, 5 by 2 here, -3, 0. Now in second part we take q. Q is there 1/2 a minus a dash. Now again q equal to half the value of a minus value of a dash. Now subtract this matrix. We have after subtraction this matrix and divided by 2. So now we have this. By the property of skew symmetric matrix, diagonal elements are 0. A12 replaced by -a21, A13 replaced by -a0. So clearly this is skew symmetric, but we check by the proper method. So now q dash equal to, again we change this, 0, -half, -5/2. Next step, 1/2, 0, 3 and 5 by 2, -3, 0. If we take minus common there, so we have 0, -1 by 2, -5 by 2, 1 by 2, 0, 3 by 2 and 5 by 2, -3, 0. And this is a matrix again q, 0, -half, -5 by 2, so it is minus q. So q is skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Now I am taking one more important question based on transpose of a matrix. Show that positive odd integral power of a skew symmetric matrix are skew symmetric. So to start this question, let A be a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Then A transpose equal to minus. A be a skew symmetric matrix. We want to prove here positive odd integral power of a skew symmetric matrix. Also let M be a positive odd integer. Then A to the power M whole transpose. This question is saying that if A is a skew symmetric matrix and we take the power of A as in the positive odd integers, So this question is saying that generally, if A is skew symmetric matrix, then A cube also is skew symmetric, A5 also is skew symmetric, A7 also is skew symmetric matrix. So here we start with A to the power m dash, where m is the positive odd integer. This can be expressed A into A into A into A m times whole dash, because a to the power can be expressed this type. Now this can be explained as a dash into a dash into a dash into a dash up to m times. Because a b c whole transpose equal to c dash b dash a dash. This is the property of transpose. Now a dash is equal to minus a, so minus a minus a minus a minus a, how many times? M times. M times. We take common minus from each part, and this minus 1 comes m times. So here minus 1 to the power is come outside. We have a again m times. This can be written as minus a to the power m. M is odd, so minus to the power m become minus 1. So here the transpose of a to the power m is equal to the minus a to the power m. This shows that a to the power m is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. So in this question we want to prove that odd integral power of a skew symmetric matrix are skew symmetric. Now I am taking similar question just like as the previous question. Show that positive even integral power of a skew symmetric matrix are symmetrics. In this question we want to prove that if A be a given skew symmetric matrix, then this question is saying that A square will be symmetric, A to the power 4 will be symmetric, A to the power 6 will be symmetric. So we prove this question by theoretically method. So in this question, since A be a skew symmetric matrix, then A transpose equal to minus A. And let L be a positive even integer. Now A to the power n whole transpose, we start with this, is equal to A into A into A into A into A n times whole transpose. This can be written as A dash A dash A dash A dash A dash n times, according to the property of transpose of matrix A B C D whole transpose equal to D dash C dash B dash A dash. Now this can be written as, because A is the skew symmetric matrix, so minus A minus A minus A minus A n times from equation first. Now take minus common from each bracket, so we have minus 1 to the power n, because minus A comes n times, and inside the bracket we have A a n times minus 1 to the power n become 1 a to the power n minus 1 to the power n equal to 1 n is even equal to a to the power n. So here transpose of a to the power n is equal to the a to the power n. So this shows that a to the power n is symmetric. That means even integer power of a skew symmetric matrix are symmetric. Now I am taking one more important question. A matrix which is both symmetric and skew symmetric is a null matrix. अगर कोई मैट्रिक्स सिमेट्रिक और स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक दोनों ही है, दैट मीन्स इट इज अ नल मैट्रिक्स. सो वी प्रूव दिस क्वेश्चन थ्योरेटिकली. सो लेट A equal to Aij is a square matrix. We assume here A equal to Aij is a square matrix. First, A is symmetric in first condition. A is symmetric. This implies that A dash equal to A and Aij equal to Aji for each I and j. Aij equal to Aji. This is the equation number first. Second, A is skew symmetric because A is symmetric and skew symmetric both. A is skew symmetric. Condition is A dash equal to minus A and by elements Aij equal to minus Aji for each I and j, or Aji equal to, that means this can be written as Aji equal to minus Aij. This equation again can be written Aji equal to minus Aij. So here from first and second, here Aji equal to Aij, here Aji equal to minus Aij. So from first and second we have Aij equal to minus Aij for each I j. Transfer this, so we have Aij plus Aij equal to 0 for each Ij. This implies that 2Aij equal to 0 for each Ij. That means Aij equal to 0 for each Ij. This implies that A is null matrix. A equal to Aij is the given square matrix. First condition, because A is symmetric and skew symmetric both. So start with A is symmetric. We know that well. A dash equal to A. According to element condition, Aij will be equal to Aji. In second condition, A is skew symmetric also. So A dash equal to minus A and Aij equal to minus Aji. This can be written as Aji equal to minus Aij. Here the value of Aji is Aij. So AGI equal to minus AIJ from first and second. AIJ equal to minus AIJ. Transfer here AIJ plus AIJ equal to 0 to AIJ equal to 0. So for each value of I and j, AIJ becomes 0. That means each entry of the matrix A is 0. So A is called the null matrix. So this is again an important question and CBSE board question is there.